Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for the best tools and accessories to get the job done right. In today's video, we're diving into one of the best Dewalt razor blades on the market. The Dewalt Miter Saw Blade Combo Pack, featuring a 12-inch 40-tooth blade and a 12-inch 60-tooth blade. If you're looking for precision, durability, and the ability to tackle all kinds of cutting tasks, these blades are a must-have for your toolkit. First, let's talk about what makes these blades stand out. Dewalt has a reputation for delivering high-performance tools, and their miter saw blades are no exception. With a carbide material that is ultra-sharp, these blades are designed for clean cuts, making your work smoother and more accurate. Whether you're cutting through wood, plywood, or even plastic, these blades will handle it all with ease. The 40-tooth blade is optimized for general cutting, giving you fast and efficient cuts through materials, while the 60-tooth blade is perfect for fine, precision cuts. This combination allows you to take on a wide range of projects, whether you're doing basic cuts or working on intricate woodworking projects. That requires smooth edges and no tear out. What's also impressive about these blades is their longevity. Dewalt has designed them to last up to 3 times longer than traditional blades, meaning you won't be swapping out blades frequently. That's great for both your budget and your workflow. And when it comes to vibration, the patented body slot design ensures minimal movement during cuts, giving you more control and a better overall experience. Let's not forget about the optimized tooth geometry. These blades are engineered to deliver precise, clean cuts with minimal effort. It doesn't matter if you're cutting hardwood, MDF, or softwood. These blades will stay sharp and provide professional results every time. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Dewalt Miter Saw Blade Combo Pack is a game-changer for anyone who needs reliable, high-quality cutting tools. They fit most 12-inch miter saws and provide everything you need to tackle both everyday tasks and specialized jobs. If you're tired of constantly replacing worn-out saw blades and looking for a solution that offers great value for money, look no further than the Dewalt DWA112CMB Miter Saw Blade Combo Pack. These blades give you the perfect balance of sharpness, durability, and performance. Plus, with the added bonus of reducing vibration, you'll experience less strain and a smoother cutting experience. Thanks for watching today's video on the best Dewalt razor blades. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products for your home and worksite. See you in the next one.